Hello everyone. Just yesterday we saw a color render of a Huawei P40 and now another image showing the P40 Pro has leaked. Reliable tipster 91 Mobiles claim to have obtained the above shown images of the Huawei P40 and its colorways through an industrial source. The image reaffirms what we have been expecting for a while. There are 4 cameras at the back of the Huawei P40 Pro as opposed to 3 on the regular P40. The setup is expected to include a primary sensor, an ultra-wide sensor, a ToF sensor, and a 10x optical zoom lens. The image also shows that the quad camera setup is powered by Leica optics. Additionally, 91 Mobiles reports that both P40 and P40 Pro will launch in 5 colorways. Both phones will reportedly get a gradient finish. The P40 and P40 Pro are confirmed to launch in March this year. Only some specs of this phone have leaked so far, so take this everything with a pinch of salt. The Huawei P40 Pro runs on EMUI based on Android 10 with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. The device is expected to come with 8GB or 10GB of RAM, which supports up to 512GB of internal storage. It is not expected to support expandable. Lastly, a fresh report from MyDrivers suggests that the P40 Pro will be equipped with a 52 megapixel image sensor that will be custom designed by Sony, and this sensor will be used to shoot videos and photos in very dark conditions. However, there will be 20 megapixel ultra-wide plus 12 megapixel telephoto camera. This periscope lens is expected to adopt 2 mirrors to be able to achieve 10x optical zoom. The Leica branding and technical details which describe between the ultra-wide and telephoto should amount to more than 13x zoom. We would imagine Huawei prices the P40 and P40 Pro slightly higher, possibly €900 and €1099. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe us and press the bell icon for latest notification. See you in the next one.